Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have most prerequisites: a Google account and internet. Open Drive, Google, or type Sheets. New, this creates a blank sheet instantly. Once done, name the file in the top left and choose a folder to keep it organized. Make sure to check your account's sharing defaults so you don't lock yourself out later. You'll begin entering headers in row 1 now. Use simple, consistent labels so formulas and filters work predictably. Now you'll structure the sheet for durability. Freeze the header row and apply number formats to columns so dates and currency behave. Once headers are set, enter sample data and add formulas such as equals sum, b2, b100, or equals if c20, yes, no, to automate results. Make named ranges for repeated ranges to simplify formulas. If multiple editors will collaborate, protect important cells and use data validation rules. This prevents accidental overwrites and to finish, share the sheet with collaborators using precise permissions: viewer, commenter, or editor. Invite by email or copy a restricted link. Once shared, add filters and conditional formatting to surface issues, and optionally set up an app script or add-on to automate imports or notifications. Make sure recalculation settings suit your needs and enable version history so you can revert mistakes. If something breaks, first verify permissions, then check cell formats and recalculation. Those solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.